to another video. You are watching phones.on.ua with Karishma, and today we are going to talk about none other than Nokia 6120 out here. Yes, talking about this variant Nokia 6120 Classic out there, we can see that this was a mid 2000 variant out here with a mini SIM technology and about a light weight of less than 90 grams. You will see that this variant was a different version because the display has increased and the keypad has been we can say shortened out there, and the structurality, if we talk about the looks of this variant, this has also evolved out there, having TFT screening and 16 colorization. It offers you 2-inch size. Yes, not just the screen, the entire size is 2 inches out there, with 200 ppi density and downloadable walls themes, and you can see the screensavers out there. This kind of variants have a different kind of operating system. This is not the Android operating system. It has Symbian operating system, which was earlier used for very less variants out there. Now we usually don't see these kinds of operating systems. CPU with this variant, which works very well, is a different kind of a variant, is a different CPU out used in this. So we usually don't see these kind of CPUs at this point. It has a dedicated slot for external storage capacity because offering about 32 MB and 128 MB needs expandability 2 years. 128 MB and 32 MB storage capacity needs expandability. Whereas if you talk about the RAM quality, it has 64 MB RAM out there. And when we talk about this variant, we can see it offers you rear camera and selfie camera both. Yes, you will get to see rear and selfie camera both out there. You will get to see rear camera is of 2 megapixel, whereas selfie camera is just for video calling, so that you don't miss out your video call. So it has a VGA selfie camera out there. Because it has got connectivity of 2G and 3G out there, so we need connectivities out there. So you can have this kind of a variant. Mini USB could be seen out there. GPS is not working in it, and we can see the connectivity is not very good, but an okay version out there. 2.5 jack is possible, so FM is also possible out here. Recording is possible, but no other functions you will see. You will see all the older versions, early 2000 versions out there. When we talk about this variant, we can say the battery life really needs to be upgraded in Nokia's earlier variant, because offering 890 mAh battery and just 3 to 4 hours talk time is not enough. Yes, 3 to 4 hours talk time is not enough. So battery life need to be upgraded. But these kind of variants can definitely be used when you want a good phone for calling purpose, a long time calling purpose, a secondary phone. Then these kind of variants are really good. Talking about these variants, we have got a site which offers you a great pricing, because both investing price are must. And the site name is phoneZone.ae. Yes, the site name is phoneZone.ae. This is all mobile phone categories, which offers you n number of gadgets from these reputed brands out here. Whereas you get to see that this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadget. Like I am typing Nokia 6120 out there. So the results are out. As you can see the results out there, it has a description box which has all the categories, all the specifications mentioned out. Whereas you get to see there's a condition written refurbished condition. So let us talk about refurbished condition, talk about brand new, and see whether the products of refurbished are worth investing on. Talking about refurbished products and brand new products, we can say they are quite similar out there. Yes, when we talk about refurbished and brand new, like if we talk about refurbished products and when we talk about brand new products, they're quite similar. Why they are similar? Because we can see that the refurbished product is an extension to brand new. Like if we talk about the stages of this, then we can say brand new has a stage like company, the original base out there, who has introduced a new phone or new gadget out in the market. Then it comes to the market. Yes, any agency, marketplace, retailers, anything, that's the market out there. Then it goes to the users, the consumer out there. So this is brand new. Now extension to it becomes like the user already has that gadget. Now that's the gadget has been used out, now that person does not want that, then it is again given back to the backend. It's not the reverse, it's the frontal market. It can be back also, but it's usually the frontal we say. So the market has it. Now this market tests, verifies, everything is like absolutely repacked and we can say it's like new, like not refurbished, we can say absolutely newly like. When it passes all the tests, then it is classified as refurbished and the condition is named as refurbished. Now this refurbished product is again launched on the sites, on their specified sites where they have already pre-owned it, and then the user have this. Yes, then the new user uses it. This is known as refurbished. So we can say the extension from the user to user is known as refurbished product, or we can say this is the extension of brand new in this category. Now, when we talk about the similarities, we can say they have similarities in the parameters also. Like parameters which include in this are like the display out there, the buttons intactness, the colorization, the storage capacity, camera, video, audio, SIM recognition, connectivities out there, the data wiping out there, the accelerometer, proximeters out there, gyroscope out there. If it has loudspeakers, then how is it working? Charger, charging capacity, everything, whichever thing it is, like the operating system, processor out there, every kind of specification we read about a gadget, they have to be tested. And there are approximately 29 major parameters which have sub parameters also, how they are classified, how they are checked. So there are almost 29 parameters. When we talk about these 29 parameters, they had to pass each and every parameter to become certified. If it fails in one parameter, then the product is disqualified, or we can say is discontinued, or is not launched on the site out there. Now, when we are talking about this variant, when we are talking about this version out there, we can say that this kind of variants are quite good in quality. They have been tested out, they have been checked out every time, their quality is checked, so that it is absolutely renewed. Now, when we talk about this product, refurbished product, we can say that these products offers you a good quality, good service out there, so that it becomes a building block to you for people who cannot, at that time, cannot see their favorite gadgets in their pocket, but now can see. Now, when we talk about the advantages of having a refurbished product over a brand new, we can say that refurbished products offers you a savings. Yes, it offers you savings out there. How it offers you savings, we already know that brand new products are highly expensive out there when it's released. But when we talk about refurbished products, they are quite pocketable. Yes, these are quite profitable. So when we compare the pricing out there, there is a slight difference in the pricing. So you can save, really you can save up to 15 or 70, like you get to save a good amount of money. When we talk about the warranty period, yes, it is actually seen when we own a pre-owned phone, then the warranty period is not given out there. But there are sites which offers you 6 months warranty period, and this sites offer you 6 months warranty period out too. As well as you get to have 70 exchange policy. As we see in the brand new products, we have 1 year warranty and a few days replacement and guarantee out there. Same happens with it. 6 months warranty and 70 exchange policy could be seen out there. Now talking about this variant, now talking about this version out there, we can see that this variant is available out on our website. And so let us once again see the website first. Yes, let us once again see the website and check out whether these things are available on the site or not. So I have highlighted the name. The name has been highlighted, which you can Google. That is phoneson.ae, or you can go in the description box and see the link. I already told you that this site offers you 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy. So you can see that it offers you 6 months warranty, 7 exchange policy out here. Addition to this, you get to see COD and free shipping also. Yes, COD and free shipping is also there. Shipping ki baat kare, if we talk about shipping, then it takes around 48 hours for most of the parts of UAE. whereas it might take up to a week for Saudi. Yes, Saudi it might take up to a week. Now talking about the products, they are 100% original products, and not just that, you get to see n number of gadgets from the n reputed brands. Yes, if you see the list, there are reputed brands out here. This site, this search icon has an option for you to search a specified gadget out there. Yes, you can search a specified gadget out there. So for the best pricing, do visit out the website or call on our helpline number. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.